Hi, boys and girls. These are your I can statements for the week for math. So, this standard is something that we have been working on actually the past 2 weeks. You just really haven't known that the standards that we've been working on kind of tie together. So, the first week of our cycle, which was not last week, but the week before that, we went over things like measures of weight and measures of length. And you learned about the metric system and you learned about the customary system. And this week, we're going to be taking those assessments where we have two assessments and they're 4 questions each. And it's basically just what we do at the end of every 3 weeks. Once we teach you new things, then we just have to take a little quiz on them just to see how well we taught you and how we can help you learn more about those things. So, the first two I can statements are I can statements that you have seen. You just saw them 2 weeks ago. And the first one says, I can identify relative sizes of measurements within one system of units. The second one is, I can identify the relative size of measures of kilometers, meters, and centimeters, kilograms and grams, pounds and ounces, liters and milliliters, hours, minutes, and seconds. So that's when I gave you guys a whole bunch of videos that showed you all of those different measurements, kilometers and meters, centimeters. It showed you kilograms and grams. It showed you measures of weight like pounds and ounces, and time, hours, minutes, and seconds. So I wanted to show you all about those types of measurements. But your I can statement for this week particularly is this one right here. And it says, I can express measurements in a larger unit in terms of a smaller unit within the same system of measurement. So we are going to be working this week on conversions. So last week we worked on multiplication so that you would be prepared to multiply these numbers when we do conversions, because you're going to have to know how to multiply. So we will be still working on multiplication a little bit. I want you to still keep practicing. But this week you'll be learning how to make different measurements, and you'll be learning how to do conversions, which that's what you will be tested on, I want to say, this Thursday or Friday. So you are going to repeat after me really quickly, and then I will let you work. So I can express measurements in a larger unit in terms of a smaller unit within the same system of measurement. Okay, great job. So by the end of the week, you will be able to say without a doubt that you can express measurements in a larger unit in terms of a smaller unit within the same system of measurement. So after this video, you will be watching a video that you are going to be learning how to do conversions with weight. So you're going to be learning that in 1 pound, there are 16 ounces. So those two are the same thing. They're just a different measure. So you're going to be learning how to take measurements of pounds. So if you have 3 pounds, how many ounces is that going to be? So you're going to watch the video. You're going to learn how to convert pounds and ounces and tons as well. And then you're going to be logging on to IXL. So I'll have another little bit of information down there so that you know where you are logging into on IXL.